Let's read this paragraph again. The first place that I can remember well is a large pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it, and rushes and water lilies grew at the deep end. Over the hedge on one side, we looked into a plowed field, and on the other, we looked over a gate at our master's house, which stood by the roadside. At the top of the meadow was a plantation of fir trees, and at the bottom, a running brook with steep banks. While I was young, I drank my mother's milk, as I could not eat grass. When I was very young, I I fed on my mother's milk, and I could not eat grass. In the daytime, I ran by her side, and at night, I lay down close by her. At the daytime, I ran by her side मतलब मैं उनके पीछे पीछे दौड़ता रहता था. And at night, I lay down close by her. And at night, I slept with her. When it was hot, we used to stand by the pond in the shade of the trees. When there was hot, we used to stand in the shade of the trees near the pond. And when it was cold, we had a nice warm shed near the plantation. And when it was cold, we stand near the uh, we stand near the fir trees near the plantation. जहाँ फर ट्रीज की खेती होती थी वहाँ हम कोल्ड में रुक जाते थे. As soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and come back in the evening. As soon as I was old enough, as I grew up and I started to eat grass, my mother started to go out to work in the daytime and she came back in the evening. Yes, for today, it's enough. Thank you.